Welcome students in my new tutorial, and today we'll be covering some other basic tools of Adobe Animate. So starting with pencil tool. Firstly, from here I'll make it to fit in window. There is the option here. Now we'll be covering some tools from here. For example, this is the pencil tool and Shift plus Y is the keyboard shortcut you could see here. So I can click upon this. And what it will do, it will just click a simple stroke. You could see here. Here from here you can control the stroke. Like I'm just making it to 3. Now if you'll see now, the line is thin. Okay. And here when you are selecting this tool, here at the bottom pencil mode is there, straighten, smooth and ink. So if I click on straighten, so it will give you hard edges like this. And other mode, if I'll select smooth, so little bit smoother it will be. And third is ink mode. Moreover, it's like same only, little bit difference is there. So smooth and ink will make your hard edges smoother. So I'll be deleting all these lines. I'll be selecting this selection tool and select like this by pressing the left mouse button, then press delete key. And then after this I'll be using brush tool, this brush tool. B is the keyboard shortcut. And here also, if you will see here, the color is suppose I'm selecting blue, or I can change the color red. You could see here it is giving the strokes as I'm painting with a brush like this. From here you could see one smoothing option. When I'm here in properties, under here fill and stroke, from here I'm selecting the color of the stroke, and here is the brush size. If I am increasing it, you could see here it's more thick, and from here you can decrease the size. According to your need you can select the color. And here also brush size is there. If I'm select the brush size, I can select the size from here also. Okay. And then I have told you in properties also the same thing, you could easily do it. This smoothing is very important. Why I'm saying it is very important? If I am decreasing, it will not give you smooth edges. You could see here, it's not giving the smooth edges. But if I am making it to 100, the edges will be too smooth. These edges are smoother. Wait, I have changed the color. So it's smoother. So I'll advise you that whenever you are using the brush tool, and if there is a need, then you can make it to 100 so that your edges are more smoother. So this was your brush tool. So now the next tool which I'll be covering is eraser tool, and keyboard shortcut is E. And you have covered this tool in your paintbrush software. If I click on this tool, what it is doing, it is simply rubbing whatever I have drawn earlier. And to increase the size, you can just click on different shapes here. The size is increased. And then if you want that size, it should be more of this tip, eraser tip. What you could do, from the keyboard, angle brackets are there. From there, you can increase or decrease the size. So from here, I am decreasing and increasing the size. Okay. And from here, you can easily rub. So I hope you are already clear how to use this tool. So for rubbing the shapes or rubbing your lines, whatever mistakes you have done, you can use this eraser tool. And different options I have already told you, round shape, square shape, you can use it. And I am using angle brackets to increase the size or decreasing the size. But still, if you want to delete all, it's very simple. I have told you earlier, with selection tool, you can just make a square by pressing left mouse button and then simply press the delete key. Everything is deleted. I use this way. So after this, there is one zoom tool. But first of all, for that, I am making some shape. Suppose I am taking brush tool again and suppose I am taking some color. And now if I want to zoom it, so simple way is that you can press on zoom, keyboard shortcut is Z, and if I'll click it, with the help of this I can easily zoom it. Okay, and this zoom tool, if I'll see on the options here at the bottom, there is also an option to reduce. So just click on this and then if you'll press it, it's reducing the size. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you how to use the zoom tool. You can simply press Alt key also to make this effect in an opposite manner, just pressing the Alt key. Suppose I have selected enlarge option, this one. Now it is used to zoom. Now if I'll press Alt key, it will do the opposite. So I hope this tool is also clear to you, zoom tool. Although I have already explained in the starting tutorial, but practically now I am explaining about each and everything. Now the next tool which I am telling you about, text tool. This is also very important tool. Keyboard shortcut is T. So if I'll select this in this properties, here like okay, static text I'll take, and from the family I can select the different styles. Suppose I'm selecting this sample one. Size I can control from here and I'll select it, and suppose I'm writing here Sophia. Then the color options, again I have the option from here. Now it's not changing. For that you have to just select it, and then if I'll color it, so whichever the selection I have done, only that part will be selected. And then with the help of selection tool, I can, this one selection tool, I can move wherever I need this text to be pasted. So I hope everything is clear to you. Today we have covered pencil, brush, eraser, zoom and text tool. And this paint bucket tool, already I have cleared you earlier that it is used to fill the color. Suppose I am just taking one oval tool. I am making a circle here and just little bit stroke I'll increase. I'm selecting it, stroke I am increasing. Okay. Deselecting means I'll select somewhere in between on the stage and it will be deselected. Then if I want to change the inside color, you know very well, I can change it very easily like this. And if I want to change the outer color, this one, then there is option for that also. This is ink bottle tool, this one. S is the keyboard shortcut. I'll click upon this and suppose I am selecting red color. You could see here now I am able to change the color of a stroke. That means the border color I am able to change. So I hope all these basic tools are already clear to you. So with this I am closing my tutorial, and if you feel my explanation is good enough, then please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care, meet you soon in my next tutorial.